SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a really significant manner. SLP really faces opposition at $0.003, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir truly is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the explicitly bears truly has been laid out at $0.003. 14 September 2023. In this video, we will walk you through kind of Smooth Love mixture cost examination for NA, or for extremely when weak from NA, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer this habitually basically get clarification on some pressing issues facts. What explicitly is essentially momentary cost expectation for most certainly Smooth Love mixture, by and large is SLP an excellent venture, or so they truly thought. Smooth Love mixture support and opposition levels and so on. So SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they basically thought. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the SLP specialized investigation, in every way that really matters, let us truly discuss the extremely current economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331 in an extremely huge manner. The very complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $27,882,883,474. Especially further appearance how SLP essentially faces opposition at $0.003 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which basically is very huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level, after a vertical development of 1.81%, which explicitly is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time period, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.98, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. Which really is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very significant way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for sort of momentary in an essentially significant manner. Right now, a very broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly shows that SLP generally faces opposition at $0.003, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more exceptionally dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors generally become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.98, and at present, exchanging at 49 cents in and in every way that really matters, large way. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of really Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, by and large Smooth Love mixture execution. The everyday graph of commonly Smooth Love mixture basically shows that the SLP cost essentially has a really descending development, with a 1.18% decline in sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become significantly more genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the especially Smooth Love mixture SLP coin really is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in a significant manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, in an all things considered, significant way. Smooth Love Mixture Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 14 September 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of beneath. So XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. We utilize really relative strength INDEXRSI, moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the by and large Smooth Love Elixir, showing that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI truly is at 34, showing how really Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. Or so they basically thought. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, truly further appearance. How these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for in every practical sense, transient in a huge way. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day diagram in an unobtrusive manner. While SLP's Williams %R marker by and large is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign certainly is certainly conceivable at this reach in every practical sense, further appearance. How we utilize extremely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving fundamentally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the for the most part Smooth Love Elixir, showing that various elective digital currencies, as